Talking about infrastructural support pertaining to setting up a domestic toy manufacturing unit, it is clear that India lags far behind China when it comes to encouraging toy manufacturers in the country. Indian toy industry is standing today where Chinese toys industry was in early 90s, and by leveraging its strength of cheap labor, it captured the global market. Today, labor is no more cheaper in China, and it has upgraded its production from labor intensive to technology intensive and has heavily invested on automation of processes. It is also moving away from lower contribution to higher contribution segments, due to which many toy manufacturers in China are closing their shops. If right steps are taken at this point of time, Indian toy industry can reach within a short span of time where China has reached during the last 25-30 years, indicating towards the lack of facilities and support. The same report stated nearly 12% of MSME toys manufacturers have their own full-fledged in-house design studio and team of trained designers for product conceptualization, prototype development and R&D on design with proper setup of software, say those connected with the trade. If this was the situation in and around 2017, think how many domestic toy manufacturers must be out of business by now. The Indian toy industry has all the capabilities as far as skill and cost of labor matters. However, due to being heavily dependent for molds, mechanical and electronic components, parts and automation tools on China, not many units are in a position to grow as the cost of imports become very heavy in view of the size of their units. The cost of raw materials is almost identical irrespective of place, country of production. To support the toy manufacturers, the government should hold discussions with the industry to understand what are the bottlenecks faced by it to grow in size and scale up its operations to produce quality products at competitive price. To promote exports of India-made toys, government should provide more export incentives. Higher rate of duty drawback, working sheds could be provided by the Indian government to the industry in proper industrial areas on rent at concessional rates for the smooth functioning of the manufacturing units. The government needs to provide adequate connectivity and uninterrupted power supply. The government along with the Toys Industry Association need to create greater awareness among their members in availing benefits under Ministry of MSME. Promotional and development schemes for MSMEs like CLCSS, Design Clinics Scheme, Cluster Development Scheme, ISO Certification Scheme, participation in fairs, exhibitions, etc. In Cluster Development Scheme, there is an efficient supply chain mechanism for raw materials, parts and better cost economics for suppliers as well as toy manufacturers. Even the unorganized toy manufacturing enterprises should also shift their clusters. Further, finance is a major hurdle for MSME toy manufacturers to grow and modernize, as it is quite expensive at the rate of 11-12% per annum in India, similarly about 3-4% per annum in China. The current requirement is to extend loans to Indian toy manufacturers on softer terms like China in order to encourage the units to conform to the BIS standard as issued by DPIIT, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. In February 2020, the cost of inspection for at least 1-2 years should be borne by the government, as the many small units will be forced to close down. These unaffordable costs and the very purpose of the government initiative by Vocal for Local will be defeated. Thank you.